Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Still taking a look into the charts and we talk about Wall Street bets. Well, what is the case? There was this company called GameStop. It's basically a thrift shop for secondhand games and stuff like that. Like a physical store where you go to, I don't know, do stuff with games. I'm from Europe, I don't know the exact company, but that is what I've read about it. So, from a fundamental analysis point, you say this doesn't have a bright future. People are going to Ubisoft or something like that, or Steam, or everything to buy their games online. That is how the new world works, kind of, right? So the institutions shorted that stock very hard. Of the open interest, or however you say it, 84% was short. They were shorting even with leverage, the institutions. So some boys at Reddit, Wallstreetbets, were seeing that, found out, and they're like, well, wow, if we buy this, sooner or later, those shorts have to cover their position and buy back, sending the price higher. So that's what they did. And that is kind of like fundamental analysis clashing with sentiment. Because if sentiment is so bearish, the upside is very high, the opposite side is very high. That's exactly what we're always doing, how I always trade with Bitcoin. This is the exact same thing. Right now, everybody's leaning short. Over here, everybody was leaning long. And that is exactly what you do. We're looking at sentiment. Anyway, they were like, sentiment is so bearish. Sooner or later they have to buy back to cover their short. So they started buying it. A lot of people joined in. Small shorts started puking, buying back, sending the price even higher. And more retail stepped in to buy more, and that's how it squeezed all the way up. Basically, same thing with Tesla happened. Retail loved it, retail bought it, institutions tried shorting it. Covered their shorts, sending the price even higher. That's why Tesla is so high, because Tesla is unreasonably high as well. But it's basically because big boys try to short it and get squeezed out and buy higher. That's like how parabolic moves happen. And that's exactly what happened with GameStop. Well, truly normal behavior. It was for everybody to see what was going on, why it happened, what they were doing. It was done by thousands of small people, retail people, not two or three institutions. It was basically outsider trading, not insider trading. It was completely legal, completely normal, how a market works. But about that, Wall Street is salty. So what happened? They call in a favor from the hill, ask for a bailout, and they even went to the media, Like media is really like this. I mean, it's completely crazy. Discord removed the server from Wallstreetbets. Reddit removed the subreddit of Wallstreetbets and GameStop. It's completely crazy. The media is calling it dangerous, and now exchanges like this is like unbelievable. Exchanges like Robinhood have removed the buy button. You can only sell the stocks. You can only sell GameStop. You cannot buy it anymore. They do not want you to pump it. I mean, that's the craziest thing ever. This is so rigged. This is I don't know. Epstein didn't kill himself. Trump was president. I don't know what to believe anymore. If they have this power, this is truly, please guys, like, we cannot let this happen. This is, even Discord has gone corporate. I mean, this is crazy. Anyway, let's take a look at the normal markets. I'm done with the rant. S&P 500, good recovery. Nasdaq Top 100, good recovery as well. Dixie down. Anyway, this is looking good. Almost an engulfing on the daily. Daily is not closed yet. Bitcoin looking good. Negative funding, discounts again. And this is basically what we're seeing for Bitcoin, right? This is basically what we are seeing. Falling wedge, big falling wedge, that's what I'm seeing. Right now, the level to watch is this one. We want a higher high. So there's 33,000. Very good, very simple. Same over here, and we can see it clearly over here. This is the level we want to break. That is when we are going up. Ethereum really strong as well. We had this falling wedge breaking to the upside, and right now this level is resistance. If we break 1377, it is a matter of hours, I think, before we see new all-time highs. Target is 1480 or something. Anyway, this is where we're in, looking very strong. Ethereum BTC strong as well, making higher lows at the moment. Do we see something like this? Yeah, something like that. More like this. Yeah, something like this. This is what we're seeing, making higher lows in a small time frame. Looking very good. If you zoom out, let's go to the daily. We can see this over here is our target for the Ethereum BTC ratio, 0.054. Looking very good, is a buy opportunity. AF being a complete chat over here. Almost $300, or did it tip $300 already? It tipped it. Very good, goes higher, simple as that. Remove everything and make this line, what was it? Something like this. Yeah, this is it. This is basically what we're making right now, and AF is just going to the moon. AF doesn't care. AF BTC, I don't know, some consolidation, retested already, support over here, and is going to the moon as well. Badger, wow guys, this is a massive rising wedge, and I'm very sure this will pump up. All-time high today again. Yeah, this will pump up. AF has some very bullish fundamentals as well. Barry the Pumper will get involved from what I've heard. And Badger is completely chatting as well and will go higher. Chart screams bullish, so if you want to take a bet, it's a high risk thing, but you can do it. Like I said, sentiment is very good. Sentiment is what we're always looking at. We want to look at where the liquidity is. That is how that massive short squeeze happened as well. We want to squeeze it to the upside. Predicted funding is even negative on Bybit. I don't know why. What are they doing? I have no idea. And we're seeing nothing crazy really. Yeah, everything is pointing upwards, looking very well. And yeah, what is going on now? I'm not sure. This one is probably deleted again already. Yeah. If you want to see a very good interview, look for the interview of Shamat with CNBC Fast Money of yesterday. Shamat, he explains it very well. And he completely destroyed the interviewer of CNBC. And he was like really point on about it. And yeah, it is truly a really big thing what happened today and this week in the markets, how retail got shut down. This is unheard of. The subreddits deleted from Reddit, the Discord servers deleted. What the fuck? And even the buy buttons removed from exchanges. Like, how? This is exactly why Bitcoin is made for. What Bitcoin is made for, guys. Please do not accept this and just start going into Bitcoin, because this is a rigged game. And this is what Nick Szabo is always talking about. Things centralized are dangerous. You want decentralized. You do not want a couple people with power. You want the herd with power. That's a safe thing to do. If you trade with some leverage like I do, make sure to use one of these sign-up links. You help me and you help yourself by getting additional discounts on your trading fees, and trading fees eat your profits, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I just hit 500 subscribers and I'm very happy about that. See you guys again tomorrow.